In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Framer. We'll walk through a simple flow that takes a plain text element and gives it a polished animated entrance using built-in effects so you don't have to write any code. Start by opening your Framer project. In this example, it's a page called Popular Domain. Once the canvas loads, follow the on-screen highlight to select the main area we'll be working in. Click the highlighted spot again to focus the text region inside that section. With the cursor ready, type your headline or any placeholder copy directly into the highlighted text field. When you're done, click the highlighted area once more to confirm the edit and keep the element selected. Next, we'll add a fresh text element so we can animate it cleanly. In the left toolbar or Insert panel, click Text, then choose the text option that appears so Framer knows exactly which element type you want. Click Insert to place it on the canvas, and then click Insert again as prompted to confirm its position. If you see a final insert prompt, click it once more to accept the default placement Framer suggests. Now that the text is on the page, click the highlighted selection areas in the canvas to ensure the text layer, and if needed, its parent frame, are properly targeted. Click Text again in the layer list so the actual text element is active. With the text selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel. Click the highlighted control to reveal animation options, then open the Effects section. Choose Appear to attach an entrance animation to your text. In the Trigger menu, click on Appear, so the animation plays the moment the element enters view. If you want to quickly compare behaviors, click on Mount to see how it would animate right when the component mounts. Then switch back to On Appear. You can also click on Scroll Direction to preview a scroll-aware option. This helps you decide which trigger best matches your layout and timing. Once you've tested those, keep the one you prefer active. To give the entrance more personality, open Transforms and choose Scale. This ties a subtle size change to the effect, so the text feels like it's growing into place rather than just fading. Framer will show the preview on the canvas so you can gauge smoothness and emphasis in context. When you're happy with how the text looks and behaves, head to the top right corner and click Publish. Framer will build and push your changes so you can share a live link and see the animation exactly as your visitors will.